In this lesson, I will be discussing the 4th grade standard Earth systems about erosion. Erosion is a phenomena. It is the gradual destruction of something. Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon and wondered how these giant holes formed within these really strong rocks? Well, mountains are basically rocks that grow upward to form larger land masses. So how do these holes form if there used to be rock there? Let's find out. For this experiment, you're going to need 2 plates, one small, one big, an assortment sizes of cups, paper clip, binder clips, a ruler, spoon, some wet sand, and 2 different taller cups or buckets. First, you're going to take these 2 plates and you're going to put the smaller one at an angle and use the binder clips to place it in and keep it from moving. Then you're going to take those 2 taller cups or buckets and we're going to create a bridge using the ruler. We place the ruler between, hovering over the plates. Next, you're going to take your small cup and you're going to use a paper clip to punch a hole as best you can through it. Now, we won't want too small of a hole or too big of a hole. It's got to be around that size. Then we're going to place it right in the middle of our ruler with the hole hovering over the plates. Next, we're going to get that wet sand and our spoon and scoop up some hefty spoonfuls of sand. We're going to try and create a sand castle. It's going to represent our rock or our big, large mountain landmass. Now, we want to make sure it's super compact. So we're going to get a second cup and push it down so that all of it really sticks together in there. Make sure you get all the sides and push it down as much as you can. That way it won't fall apart when we plop it onto our plate. Next, you're going to get some water and we're going to pour it into the cup and it's going to drip through that hole. Let's see what happens. What does this mean? How can we relate this to our big rocks into canyons? Let's watch it again. If we take a closer look, we can see that there are higher parts of the mountain and then holes have been created. Why do we think that? Now we have these beautiful canyons that have been created through the rock. This is because the water has caused the rocks to break down and soften, which leads to erosion, and it spills down into a hole. So this rainfall leads to erosion, which then leads to landslides, which then, of course, creates our canyons. So, what did we learn today? Canyons are formed through rainfall. Continuous rainfall can cause the landmass to erode. This causes canyons to form. And then we get these beautiful formations and beautiful canyons like the Grand Canyon.